ChatGPT has launched a feature that would completely change how students learn. Instead of giving you answers, it is now designed to make you think harder. Let me show you why this can be a complete game changer. Hi guys, I'm Amrit Raj and welcome back to my channel. If you are a student, teacher or a parent worried about AI in education, this video is for you. OpenAI has dropped their new Study and Learn feature. And it's literally flipping the script on how AI can help with learning. I've been testing out the details and honestly guys, it's very impressive. Let us dive into the details. So let's start with what study mode is. So now if you see, ChatGPT's biggest criticism was that it makes students lazy. You ask a question and you get an instant answer. You copy paste it and you are done. There is zero learning involved in that. Study mode completely flips this. OpenAI announced the launch of Study Mode, a new feature within ChatGPT that aims to help students develop their critical thinking skills rather than simply obtaining answers to the questions. Now, instead of spoon-feeding you answers, it becomes your personal tutor. It asks you questions, guides you through the problem step by step, and actually make you work for the solution. It's like having a really patient teacher who won't just give you the answer but will help you figure it out yourself. Alright, now let us see this in action. To try it, you have to go to Study and Learn feature from Tools in ChatGPT and ask a question. Here is what makes it different. Traditionally, to ChatGPT, you ask, what is the capital of France? It says Paris. Done, right? But in study mode, you ask the same question and it might respond with, great question. Let's think about this together. What do you already know about France? Can you think of this as the largest city? What clues might help you figure out which city would be the political center? Unlike traditional GPT answers, Study Together provides a step-by-step guide to learning anything. You can break down complex problems with approachable, guided explanations. The AI will ask you probing questions, guide you through the thought process, and help you identify what you already know, breaking complex problems into smaller pieces. It only gives you hints, guys, instead of giving you a direct answer. Basically, it's testing your understanding along the way. Let's look at some real-life examples, guys. In case you need some homework help, and instead of copying the answers, you will actually understand the concepts here. The AI helps you to work through the maths problem, essay structures, or science concepts by asking you the right questions. The best part is you can also prepare for your test. The ChatGPT Study and Learn feature can test your knowledge with quizzes on any topic. It's like having a study buddy who knows exactly what questions to ask to test your knowledge. And let us say you want to learn new topics. Whether you are tackling calculus, learning a new language, or understanding historical events, Study Mode breaks everything down into digestible, interactive lessons. And here's something really cool, guys. The Study Mode is OpenAI's newest feature aimed at assisting students with homework, exam prep, and learning new concepts. It even supports 11 Indian languages, making it accessible to the global audience. Now here is why this is such a big deal. The top use case on the platform is learning. The percent of US teens between 13 to 17 who say they use ChatGPT for schoolworks doubled from 13% to 26% from 2023 to 2024. The problem was that students were using AI to cheat, not learn. Teachers were concerned that students are not learning anything. And parents were also worried that their kids are just copy-pasting the answers from the AI. Study Mode addresses these concerns head-on. The Study Mode is designed to guide users through the process of finding the answers in a step-by-step manner, rather than just simply giving them answers. This could actually improve educational outcomes because students develop critical thinking skills. They learn why behind the answers and not just the what. It also provides personalized tutoring that adapts to each student's pace. And it is available 24/7 unlike human tutors. ChatGPT now boasts a study mode designed to teach rather than tell. And that's the philosophy that could revolutionize education. Now let us look into some real potential issues. Number one, over-reliance. Students might become dependent on AI guidance instead of developing independent problem-solving skills. And according to MIT research, guys, using AI too much is weakening our brain. Number two, quality control. While the feature is impressive, AI can still make mistakes and miss nuances that human teachers could catch. Number three, digital divide. Not all students have access to this technology, which could create educational inequalities. And for that reason, we at Women in Product India are conducting an event called as AI for Her, where we aim to teach 1 lakh women students in AI. The fourth problem is implementation. ChatGPT is implementing a new feature to encourage students to study instead of teach. And here's what parents and teachers need to do. They need to understand how to integrate this effectively. Now, after looking at the benefits and the issues, in case you want to try it yourself, here is how you can do that. You need to open ChatGPT and look for study and learn in the tools section. Start with the topic you're genuinely curious about and ask an open-ended questions. And yes, be prepared to engage. Here's the pro tip, guys. The more you engage with its questions, the better the experience becomes. Don't try to game the system and embrace the process. Show some patience, guys. Now, talking about my perspective, I strongly believe that all the students must use AI. All the latest tools, and they should be up to date with the latest technologies and latest features of all the major tools and integrate them in their daily life. This will improve their productivity to 100x. But at the same time, we need to use the tool rightly, not to just copy, but to improve the understanding and apply it in a real life. And interestingly, guys, OpenAI has promised a version of ChatGPT for college students that promises it will act less like a lookup tool and more like a friendly, always available tutor. This isn't about replacing teachers, guys. It's about giving students access to personalized tutoring that helps them actually learn. If implemented correctly, this could be a game changer for education. In the end, I would recommend all of you to study this study and learn feature immediately after this video ends. Okay, and if this video has helped you understand ChatGPT Study Mode, smash the like button and subscribe for more AI and education content.